Hello everyone, I'm Rashmi, and as you must be knowing that this is gonna be the 11th week and it's dedicated to Russian. So it's a Russian week. So let's begin. So I thought to discuss with you a topic where like questioning, you can ask questions. While questioning actually our tone changes in Russian. Okay, so I'll give you an example. So if you want to ask like, uh, is this mom your mother? Like, is this mother? So in Russian, you can say like, "Это mama," "Это mama," and if you like want to answer, yes, she's mother. It's mother. Okay, so like that you can say, "Да, это mama." Okay, so you getting the tone change like is this house, is this home or house? So like you can ask like at the dome. So if it's the house, so you can say like at the dome. Okay, so if someone wants to or you want to ask is the house there, so you can ask like dom tam. Dom Tam. Okay, like this way, right. Dom Tam, is the house there? So if you want to answer like yes, the house is there. So you can say Da Dom Tam. Okay. Similarly, if I have given the example of tam, so tooth also for tooth, like if you want to ask, is the lamp here? So for here, tooth is right. Tooth is used, right? So for that, you can say lampatam. Sorry, lampatooth. Lampatooth means is the lamp there? So you're getting the question mark like when we ask the question, the tone changes. Okay, so for lampatam or lampatooth, tooth is here. Okay, so you can say like lamp is here, so you can say the lampa tooth. So okay, so this is how we ask questions and we the tone changes while questioning. Okay, so okay, so let's move on to the next topic. Okay, so next topic is vocabs. So vocabulary, a few words. Okay, so let's start with table. How do we say table in Russian? Table is stol. Stol. This is how we write. Stol. 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 That is table in Russian. Okay. Now, how do we say chair? Chair is stool. 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 Stole is table. Stool is chair. Okay. Stole, stool. Okay. Now, dome, dome is home, house or home. Like, right, I told you earlier. But what is doma? Doma in Russian, the word means at home. Dome is house or home, and doma is at home. Means when you are at home, you want to say like I'm at home. So you can say doma, like at home. Okay, the word is at home. So okay, dome is home, doma is at home. Okay, okay. Now, I gave you, asked you about a word in last Russian week. There was a letter I was teaching you. The you must be knowing, right? You must remember, like this is it, right? I gave you an example. Seed. I gave you cheese. Okay, so this is it, and this alphabet is E. E. This is E. This is E. This one is E. This is E. Right? I told you. So for that, I asked you a question that there's a word. Not it's E is not just an alphabet. It's also a word. This is not just an alphabet. It's also a word, and that is and. So E is and. Okay. This is and also. We use like I say. That's why I asked you. I thought that you have noticed that, but okay. In the last of video, Russian video, I usually say "До свидания" и "До встречи." So that e, the part is and. Okay, like I say, okay, like "До свидания" and "До встречи." Okay, bye bye and see you, like that. So that and is e. This is e is and. Okay, so when what is but in Russian, e is and, but is no. This is how we write. This is the n, no. Okay, no. This is how we write. No is but. Okay, e is and, no is but in Russian. This is how we write. No. Okay, now let's move on to next word. That is moon. Moon is called as luna. Luna is moon. Okay, luna. Okay, so what do we say to sun? Sun is a bit confusing. Solnце. Here actually the L is silent. Okay, so that is why from the O part you can directly pronounce the N, and this is tse. This alphabet is, I told you, right? Tse, right? Tse, that is. So this is tse, right? The E, tse. Okay, so this is solnce. L is silent. Okay, so this is solnce. Once again, solnce. Solnce is sun. Luna is moon. Solnce is sun. Okay, okay, let's revise it once again. If you want to ask, это мама? Да, это мама. Это папа? Да, это папа. Дом там, there. Dom tam is their home. And if you want to say yes, home is there. Da, dom tam. Okay. Someone is asking, is the lamp there? Is the lamp here? Sorry, is the lamp here? There I've given you example. Tam is there, tooth is here. So if someone is asking for here, okay, so lamp is here. Is the lamp here? So lampa tam, lampa tooth here. Lampa tooth. Is the lamp here? So if you want to say yes, lamp is here. So you can say da lampa tooth. Okay. Tam and tooth, you know. Now for stole, stool, you know. Stole is table. Once again, stole is table. Stool is chair. Okay. Dom is home. Doma is at home. Okay. E is not just an alphabet, is also a word, a connecting word, right? That is and. Okay. No. Own is he, right? I told you. Own, ana, ano, own. That was own. Own is he, right? I told you. So that the similar one, right? Own is he. No is but. Okay. This is but. This is how we write. Okay. But. Luna is moon. Solnce, very difficult. Still, solnce is sun. And this is how we write. The L is silent in this word. Okay. Solnce. L silent. Okay. So this is for today. And meet you in the next class. If you have any doubt regarding this topic or the topic we covered the last week, so you can write it down, okay, and let me know about it. Till then, До свидания и до встречи, and now you know the E part also. До свидания и до встречи. So bye bye, meet you in the next class.